Alright, so hopefully you guys, when it comes to thermostat wires, what you have behind the wall is technically a variable. You have no idea, but best case scenario, you have 5 wires already, and possibly it's new construction like this, and you ran your wire yourself. Me personally, I try to run 18/8 whenever I can for future. You might, there's other things you can add to these, and it's always nice to have extra wires. But either way, this is how to properly connect, well, I don't know if it's properly, but this is how I connect them. How to connect the smart thermostat, guys. Yep. Technically, I just connect them and then they can program them. Let's see. Okay. First things first is the base. We gotta get to the base. Not this guy. This guy. Okay. You got it with a jumper cable. Okay, no screws. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's the alarm. Technically, this is in between 2 studs, I believe. So I'll grab it here. Nice and easy. Yep, there's the wood. Okay. Uh-oh. You need a level. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, you need a level. Where is my level? I just lost my level. Oh, it's in my pocket. Okay. Yeah, you need a level. You gotta make sure it's level, man. It says level here. Oh.
Welcome to Simply Safe.
Uh-oh. Right here. Simply Safe, baby. Alright. That's what the jacket is for. Okay.
Welcome to Simply Safe. Alarm off.
Alarm off. I think it's pretty good. Alright, a few tips here, okay? Tip number 1. Don't nick the wire, okay? Use the right hole, which would probably be like the second one, probably. So look, you see? Alright, let's see. Yeah, that's about big enough, yeah. Oh. So we got red all the way down here. Okay, that's red. W, which is for the heat, goes all the way up top. Yellow and then green. So usually heat is white. Oh, smaller hole. Okay, so W goes here. Okay. And then yellow for AC, yellow. Okay, then green. And then common. Okay. And then somehow try to push all the wires in the middle. Or one by one if you can. Or now start folding it in. There goes one. There goes two. Okay. And that's it. That's as simple as that, honestly. Boom. That's it. Obviously the power's off to the house, but that's it.